I'm Bina Nafed, and I came to Gurgaon in 1998. My son developed a backache, so did my husband. So we were told to go to Dr. Ravi Sauhta, and I was very impressed by his kindness and consideration, and he insisted more on exercise than he did on painkillers.
Nafed and her family, Vikas sir and kids have been there with us for a very long time, since the almost few decades, and they're very sweet family, and I've been treating them for various problems of medical, especially orthopedic ailments and disorders.
And he happened to cure them, at least relieve them of their backaches with exercise more than anything. Then subsequently I already had a pain in my knees, and it became worse. So I went to him. To me as well, he insisted on exercising, on walking. Painkillers were down to a minimum.
Over a period of time when she was coming to me, she had a very bad valgus deformed knee joints, where she was not able to even bring her 2 feet together close to each other because of the very severe deformity. And at some point of a time, over a period of a few years of medical treatment, when everything failed for her and she was getting more worse with her symptoms and getting incapacitated for walking even the short distance. In that case, then finally we had to do a replacement for her.
After 3 years or perhaps 4 years, he then suggested surgery because, well, I couldn't have carried on longer without that. And surgery was his last resort. Well, it was a successful surgery, all right. And I was walking perfectly normally, perfectly well. Then I happened to fall down and break my femur, my thigh bone, and that required several surgeries. The bone wouldn't join because of the fact that I have osteoporosis. Then he performed the bone grafting surgery, due to which, of course, the bone joined. After that, I've had carpal tunnel surgery.
We did, and at some point of a time, because of little fall, she also broke her thigh bone, for which she had to undergo a few different procedures, more than 2 or 3 procedures for her to finally she is able to walk independently and able to do normal activities.
Every single surgery was successful, and I would say Dr. Ravi Sauhta is very kind, very considerate. He's an honest doctor, and he cares for his patients. He has their interest at heart.
I wish them all the best, and they stay healthy and happy.